Today we will talk about how to deploy our train model or artifact and host it on our Datature platform. To do so, go to the Artifact tab, select the desired artifact, and click the drop-down menu and click Create Deployment. Now, type in the desired name and version and select the region that you want. And under the compute type, we can then select the CPU or GPU options. And there are respective instance type that you can select from. You can indicate the fixed or flexible scaling as needed. And we can enable the active learning. What this means is that the model identifies the uncertain or challenging predictions, which are then uploaded to the platform to be further verified by the users. These refined labels are then added to the dataset and used for further training. This can improve the model iteratively. After reviewing the options, let's click Create Deployment, and this process might take a while, and after it's done, it will show as online like it's shown here, and our hosted endpoint is now ready to be used.